What's going on, Freddie? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, take a peek behind the curtain as well. So just going through here, I do love it. The green here is a little unnecessary. It just makes everything a little bit bigger here. Great that you have your logo in the left corner, and then obviously drop down menus to everything you do. I love the service areas. Excellent. You can then rank for more areas. Call or text perfect. Like I have nothing to say about this header over here. It might be a little thick, so maybe move this stuff over and put this next to it, next to the contact area. But let's scroll through a little bit. So Raleigh painting, excellent. That's a huge keyword. Now a keyword is where somebody puts something into the search bar and they are gonna they're very intentional about what they're doing. So someone's looking for a painter in Raleigh. So this is excellent. So as you scroll down, um, this is kind of about you, I believe. Yep. So you got some nice content here, all these links to other pages, especially explaining, well, not explaining, but, telling them what you do, sales services, which is perfect. But then you have another about over here, learn more, and then obviously some of the other stuff you guys take care of. So really good. Uh-oh, it froze, sort of. Okay, different areas you serve, perfect. What customers say. So, I mean, having that is good. It's not really necessary on, your homepage. And then our difference, all right, that's good. It's letting them know your values. I love how this actually follows you on the page. Excellent job on that. And then, just different things you're doing, letting them know the walkthrough. That's actually good. I like this. Um, Tip is maybe have it on the top of the page as well, just so they can, quickly put their stuff in. Overall, very solid website. Only thing I would say is you definitely want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. Google's very strict about that. That way you can rank for stuff a lot more. Now, again, drop down menus are excellent. So I'm actually I don't have a lot to say about it. You're doing really well. Now your strength UR rating, as far as peek behind the curtain, is how strong your website is, and it's good. DR rating is how much Google trusts you. So that all has to do with backlinks. So it's where you have your link on your website link and you have it somewhere else and somebody can click on it. Now, only a couple of them come back to you. So you only have 157 coming back. Now, not all are created equal. Some are spammy, like BuzzFeed or stuff like that, and some of them are a lot more authoritative, like a painter's blog or contractor's blog, stuff like that. And it looks like you do have about 238 organic keywords with 350 organic traffic. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what's going on. So these aren't exactly keywords. Now you are getting traffic for them, but they're keywords, but they're not very specific. So you have somebody looking up Gonzalez painting and contractors. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're ready to do anything or that they're even in your area. So you're getting people to generically find you like that, but that doesn't necessarily mean these people are your clients. Now, this, on the other hand, yes, painting Durham, North Carolina, 300 people a month search for that. These are people in Durham searching for a painter, and you got 12 of them because you're on the first page to get it, which is excellent. Now, like I said, you are ranking really high for Gonzalez painters, but that doesn't necessarily mean any of the 12 people here are going to be a new client, and they may even be returning clients, with a bill or something like that. But painters carry North Carolina, 200 people search for that. So these are area specific and very job specific. And you got 9 people searching for it. So you're doing really well with this. You have the right idea with certain keywords over here. Chapel Hill Painters 95.6. So you're getting some organic traffic through your website that are very keyword specific. I would say it's a lot less than it could be if we remove all of this stuff. That's almost 180, almost 200 people for just random things. So you're looking at about 150 people coming in per month. That's really good. Let's take a look at something else. So painters or painter Raleigh, North Carolina, right? Just random I put in. So we got Google guarantee. These two are not ads, but that one is. It's just to skip the line. CertaPro. That is an ad, but here is your Google My Business profile. So it's very important to get in here. About 30 to 40% of everyone searching for anything will click on one of these 3 people. So very important to get up there. But now we go to the organic search. This you can rank here naturally. So we got Yelp, Home Advisor, House or Hughes, and then we got your first real person. People don't like clicking on, directories. They'd much rather see a person. So here we got this guy. He's got a similar build to you over here. I don't agree with this blue thing over here. Just takes up space. Just put that number over here. But as you can see, it is a click to call button, which is excellent. People don't like wasting time or typing in their phone. And then as you scroll through Raleigh Painters, so that itself is a great, keyword. This is very unnecessary, but people, I guess, like it. Having videos is great. It breaks up, the constant words. But as I'm going through, I'm looking for different things that they're doing. All those keywords that we kind of pointed out, I'm looking for that. So read more, which is good, but you'd much rather want to have, an actual paragraph on there. So the homepage theoretically should be all about your services, like just a brief paragraph of each one. So there's a lot on here that's just a little unnecessary, but solid website. Obviously they're number 4 for a reason. But let's take a look behind the curtain, see what they're doing. So their UR rating itself is 31, so they have a very strong website, and their trust rating is 11. So again, that comes down to backlinks. They probably have so I know you have 135 referring domains. They have 150. They're probably a little bit stronger than you, which is why their trust rating is higher. Cool thing is, all we got to do is just take their good ones and then move on. But let's take a look at what their keywords are because they have 719. So these are very specific. Painting, Raleigh, North Carolina. They have 500 people a month searching for that keyword, and they're getting 81 people to their website because they're also in position 2. So all of these are very specific. As you can see, there's a huge amount of traffic for these different keywords, and they're pulling in a significant amount of it. And again, they're in the position to receive it. So I mean, just going through triangle painting, obviously that's their name. Not going to say much about it. 500 people a month are searching for it though. The triangle is something in North Carolina, so I'm not going to say anything. But they are doing really well with it. Now, all they really do is focus on Raleigh, but as far as the sub areas, I'm pretty sure that they do have some keywords in there. But yeah, so basically how can this help you out, Freddie? All we honestly got to do is we just got to increase your backlinks, the strong backlinks. So we'll go over to them. We'll take the referring domains. We'll add them into you, and then we'll just kind of take those. And then as far as your organic keywords, we got to get 2,000 words on the home page, right? We got to explain what's going on with each of your services. Add some of those organic keywords in there, so we can start ranking much higher for those. So that we can actually, instead of your organic traffic being 350 with 200 of it being for random, we can bring in 350 actual traffic that will help you out. All right. That's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If not, that's cool. I can always use some feedback though. But other than that, you have an awesome day, Freddie. Bye.